So, Xerocon 2025 is here. It is one of the biggest conference and networking events for accountants, bookkeepers, and basically anyone who uses the Xero software. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how can you make the most out of the Xero conference, as well as if you're new to Xero, then how to use that software too. Hello everyone, I am Vidya Ashik Modi, an Australian chartered accountant and an entrepreneur. I have an experience of working in Australia for 6 years. Soon after that, I started my own accountancy practice, Pinnacle Advisors. I'm known as a mentor, public speaker, and an avid biker. Join me to learn more about my experiences, which can guide you in your journey, both professionally and personally. So, what is Xero? It's basically a cloud-based integrated accounting software used by Australian accountants and bookkeepers on day-to-day basis. At Pinnacle Advisors, we use Xero Work Papers for accounting, Xero Practice Manager for tax returns, and Xero HubDoc for document management, and a bunch of other cool integrated softwares that are integrated to Xero. But here is the part I love the most. As a Xero Platinum partner, we get access to 24/7 dedicated support by an accounts manager that helps us in resolving any client-related issues. But before you think so, no, it's not a sponsored video. But Xero, if you're listening, I'm definitely up for it. I'm really excited to be attending Xerocon in Brisbane this year. Xerocon has been around the globe for quite some years, and finally I've got my chance of attending it. As I've been part of few networking events this year, I have a strategy in place to make the most out of this event. Here's what I've planned. Yes, Xerocon has amazing lineup of speakers and many other great mini events. But at its core, it's going to be all about networking. Real magic happens in conversations. So don't stick to your usual people. Go, talk to strangers, introduce yourself, ask questions. And you never know that one hello might turn up into your biggest opportunity. I love to plan things and have an agenda in place. But when it comes to big events like Xerocon, it is very important to leave breathing space in your calendar. I have a dedicated time which is known as the discovery time, which is used in building genuine connections with random people across the events. That's where the real goldmine is. Connections and conversations that would have never taken place if I would have stuck to my original plan. I love my heels. They make me feel very confident. But at events like Xerocon, where the day would be starting at 7 a.m. and end at midnight, trust me, the heels are going to be plain torture. So go, get those comfy sneakers and ditch your heels. Your mood and your day is going to thank you for it. For me, it's a chance to connect with fellow accountants, small business owners, boutique accountancy practices, and just not those business cards and pitch type of connections, but genuine one-on-one connections which lead with purpose. As someone who has lived and worked in Australia for over 6 years, I understand what Australians value, what they want, and what they expect in return. And that's where my chance lies at Xerocon, which is going to be a game changer for me in terms of building connections and leading with purpose. Since this is my first Xerocon, I want to make sure that I make the most out of it. When I was looking to plan for my trip, I went on social media and checked out few Xerocon groups on Facebook and LinkedIn. And I found out all those groups had people who had been to Xerocon before and are pretty senior in the industry. That's when I took the initiative and created my own group, which is Xerocon Brisbane. This group is for people like myself who are first-timers and people who are pretty keen on getting that support from someone else who would also be joining the event. So if you are also a first-timer and would like to join the event, go check out the link in the description and come feel free to join our group. That's it for today. If you want to join the Facebook and the LinkedIn group, feel free to click on the link given below. And if you have any questions, do drop them in the comments section. If you like today's video, feel free to share, subscribe and like.